Hello, welcome back to ChurchCentral Cloud. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to set up your operations on the ChurchCentral Cloud. So, for you to set up an operation on your ChurchCentral Cloud church account, you just need to follow some of these instructions, which comprises what we need to practice right now. So, on the operation section, you are going to see a drop down. On this drop down, you see some other features listed below. So, but in this video, we are going to talk about the service and attendance. So, the service and attendance will enable you to create a service template for your every activity you want to carry out in your church. Let's say you want to create a service and attendance for Sunday service or a special celebration service for your church. All you need to do is to click on the add service button. When you click on add service button, you're going to see the title of the service you want to create. Let's say this is church service, and you're going to select a start date. Okay, let me say on Sunday 18th, and sorry for the mistake. This is church service, Sunday service, or let me say Sunday service. So we are going to select the start date for the service, which includes the first day. Let me say on Sunday 18th, which is the Sunday on front. Today is 13th January, so we are going to select 18th of January. So we are going to select the location for the service. Let me say main church, or if there is a branch, you can equally select a branch. Then the reoccurrence of this service is also important. If it is a Sunday service, so definitely it's going to be occurring every Sunday. So we are going to choose the frequency of the service, which is every Sunday. So if it is a Bible service or any other service, you can choose the day which the service occur and create the template for it, so that every member can get notification or email about the service. So the end date, I don't think this is important since it's a church service. We can leave it empty so that it will keep on reoccurring every Sunday. On the service planning, we have order of the service. We have worship. You can put the title here. Then the song section, you don't really need to include any song, since there is no song in the library here currently. So you're going to include a worship note. So this worship note can be any note, reminder, or special instruction for this service, which when you include it here, if members that get notified, they are going to see some of these reminders. So the notification button, if you leave this toggle on, every member of your church are definitely going to receive an email or text message regarding the service. Then after filling in some of these necessary sections, you're going to click on add service, and your service will be created successfully. So if you did not understand properly how to fill this up, if you create an account with ChurchCentral Cloud, you are going to see a service template. Like for example, this one that I created. No, there is a one that was here before. I created this one. Okay, like this one here. This one here is a service template that you will use to understand how you can fill up your church service sections. So if you go through this video, I understand that you'll be able to do this. So in my next video, I'm going to show you more on the operation, the events, facility booking, and so on. So thank you for watching.